find really true disciples. But they are disciples relatively, you see the proportion changing. The element of worldly desires and the of true desires too is changing. Of course, Guru Swamiji Maharaj, in one of his couplets, described the characters of true disciples. You see, हिंदी विषयन से जो होए उदासा धन संतान चाहनता को नींद भूख आलस जिन खोई तो वैसा है टाइप ऑफ दैट टाइप खोज फिरे साथ हो जाता है जाएगा ही इन सर्च तो अब इतना कहाँ है अपने दैट मैग्नीट्यूड इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. But nevertheless, as he has wished that the salvation of the entire humanity has to be performed or has to be done, so continuity of a Guru will be there. And so all the doors of Guru has been opened for all. So whosoever comes, he will benefit. Yes, any doubt, any question?
How do you feel about the spiritual future of that time?
It is completely secure. It is all good. You have come on this planet to realize truth. And you will be forced by the forces of nature to weave around this man. There is no doubt. And that has already started on a global scale. Yes. Future is 100% secure. It may come in this life or the next life. But why will you wait for the next life? Why don't you achieve everything in this life? That should be the aim and object of true seeker. And a true seeker is of this type. Is not going to bargain this way or that way. He says that no, by this life I want the completion of my life.
I've heard it said that beside this earth there are many realms of existence, but,
yes.
But I've also heard it said that God must be realized here.
Yes.
Why here on this earth is very important to strive here on this earth, not wait till some other time, some other realm. Why?
The entire cosmos is in you, within you. The entire creation, the imprint is in you. And if you go down inside, you will know each and everything, the whole Pind and Brahman and even subject. When God is in you, everything is in you. It is only to discover yourself. First you will discover your mind, then the spirit. Yes.
I think his question was, why the emphasis on this human existence when there are many regions and realms where the...
I told you, all the regions are within. So you can know through this life. So it is a question of therefore because this life can know everything. You see, as early 400 or 500 years ago, Saint Kabir said that his moon, the sun and the earth all will die. And this is a land of dead men, dead. There is everywhere dead and destruction. साधु ये मुर्दन का देश, चांदू मरिए सूरजो मरिए, मरिए धरनी अकाका. this sky, space will also vanish. He was, he couldn't sign even his signature. From where did he utter this thing, which are now today, after 500 years, are accepted by top scientists? See, what was that which revealed him all these things without going through any scriptures or any literature? 400 to 500 years ago in this country. So he realized from within. When I say the Supreme Being is in you, the whole Creator will sustain us, and you will have the same power. But there won't be mind to it to show, to do so things. प्रश्न पूछो भी. कोई और किसी को पूछना पूछो, कोई बात समझ में ना आई हो. Yes, yes.
Very spiritual town is there.
Yes.
Source of power should be realized.
Yes. It is highly charged energy.
Very charged.
Very, it has created the whole universe. Yes.
It is certainly most important to sit up, do the spiritual practices and gain experience and realize the reality. But sir, my query is,
Yes.
suppose we are not able to do any of those practices, but we feel that our attachment to the living master is there and it is slightly growing. Is that an illusion or?
No. It is a positive sign. This will compel you to go in for, because you know that you won't be satisfied with the knowledge which you get by external attachment. The thirst for knowledge will be increased in you by this attachment, and you will find it necessary to go down, go inside. And more so that it is a mandate from the master, a repeated reminder from the master. That means if you respect and love him, you will obey him also. And if you don't obey, that means your respect and love is diluted. You see. And he is saying in your favor, for your benefit. So how are you going to deny benefit by such wrong notions?
I think it is a reflection of my own pathetic state.
Yes, because of the fact that a big period in between was lost and the hangover is there. So don't worry, that will be
It means, I am not able to sit up for
Yes.
your practices.
Yes.
But my love for my Guru Maharaj.
That is a very good point. That it will help you a lot. That therefore, while lying on the bed or sitting on a chair, you can execute the practice. There is no problem as far as your mind is concerned, because the practice has to be performed by mind. So whenever you find it at ease, you should start the repetition. And even going outside, there should be a repetition of the holy name. That will wash away the dust gathered on your mind from the involvement in your outside world and also of previous life. Radha Swami Bhaj Hoye Karam Sarnas. This is the verdict of Swamiji Maharaj, and I ditto it. Our first saint from Guru Swamiji Maharaj, in one of his couplets said, repeat the holy name Radha Swami, and all the bad evil good or bad samskaras, the attached of actions attached to your mind will be washed away. Your slate will be clean, and with clean heart only one can see the spirit and master. Yes.
Simply repeating the names, or must there be an element of this faith, this will to believe?
Oh, this is, as you grow, the faith will also grow. First you have seen Master only as a human being, knowing little more than you. See? And then you will reveal in him a great thing. And ultimately you will see that he is incarnate Supreme Being. And working and doing just like an ordinary man, less than ordinary.
So it's not something that has to be forced or willed.
Yes, no.
Let it grow.
No, it will grow. Yes,
We must allow it to.
and every growth will give you another impetus to go fast. Suppose you are doing a business and there is some income, so wouldn't put more money in that. So you will put more effort in that. And that is the time and effort. Your involvement will be 24 hours. Whole day, whole night will be involvement. But this will not rob you from your looking after the worldly duties. While performing the worldly duties also, a major portion of your attention will be trapped or tapped to this point. किसी भाई बहन का और कोई प्रश्न हो? Any question from?
Guru has told us in this witness hospital that Lord Swami is suffering, which is again suffering for us. We have created space.
Yes.
But at my level, I have to take it to the very distant shadow of them.
Yes, but you see slowly and slowly that distance will be diminished and that which is appearing as shadow will appear as a reality to you. You go nearer.
But how will this be more than this?
We bless it and with the special grace, both things will go together. Every act gives you a, suppose a person does certain exercise, physical fitness. Of course, after that he feels exhausted. Then he gets more energy to do more. So the exercise itself gives him more energy. And sometimes the trainer also gives him a psychological gift. You see, and he pats him back, go on. And so he scores, gets the gold medal or something like that. And he cares for the diet as well. These things are there. Similarly, your exercise will give you some energy. Then master will also give you some diet and some packing, some clarification at every stage. See, that's
Guru made an observation that the real Guru gives discourses which are spontaneous,
spontaneous.
not as though it's all prepared beforehand and delivered to
Nothing.
meet a particular situation.
Yes.
So, since we have two esteemed friends who come from Bias this time,
Yes.
if Huzur permits, I'd just like to, it's a matter of interest, whether the Guruji there, what is his method?
No, we are not to comment anything.
No comments, only information.
Yes.
They are giving daily discourses and whether they
This is
are
for them to see.
what kind of success.
That person said, for the devotee to live.
No, activities are
There
going
should
on.
not be any prompting or any coaxing in the matter of belief. It is a matter of belief and their own judgment. If they are thoroughly satisfied, very good.
No, but so number of university professors used to ask me the same question. in a different way. Apart from Radha Swami faith is okay. People get the supreme name, even their argument. But there are so many gurus, all are saying the same Radha Swami.
Yes.
And you develop Vairagya and Anurag for the master.
Yes.
And strangely, I mean, certainly, that both of these people also say, yes, we are getting this Anurag for the master, the renunciation for the world, and attachment for the master.
Now you test their psychology. If you feel that they are men of sound wit, I tell you, if the benefit of our master comes to you, your mouth will be shut. You will not take anybody anything. See? You will be lost in yourself. And they are saying to you, just to win you back. This is another step of negative that is called Satan. Just cheating your mind, bringing confusion in your mind. Because whatever the progress you have made, your psyche is not 100% satisfied. It is not tight in that fashion, which will assure you completely.
I am not telling my experience. They were telling
I am not talking to you. It doesn't mean that you will stand you for all, for such persons, you see.
No, when a new seeker comes into satsang,
For a new seeker, these are challenges. So I told her, she asked the question, I told her that these are the qualities and you have to judge. Ultimate judge is you, not the seeker. Sadgur khojori pyari jagat mein durlabh ratan hai. It is mandatory for every seeker to seek the truth, and that means seek the master, true master. And then if he or she is able to seek the truth in the right way, and comes into contact, the rest is cared for the master. Of course, it is a developing thing. You will develop slowly and slowly, of course. And slowly and slowly the recognition of the master will also come. So when you have seen suppose I give you a jewel, will you go and show me whether this boy, whether it is jewel or not? You will keep it in pocket and you will. Similarly, whatever is given inside is not to be shown. What shall you show? If experiences can be described, spiritual experiences, by words, then sense should have described everything. And there was no question of further compositions and what was this. But they are incomplete. I mean, you have just listened to these compositions. They are very full of gems. But nobody can say that this is the final. So your compositions will be there always. You saw that Guru Swamiji Maharaj made compositions. Kabir Sahib had already, Sadhu, Patu, Jagjivan, everybody had. What was the necessity of Swamiji Maharaj to bring out the Sarvachan? No, the saint can't remain quiet. He has to give to the society, to the time in which whatever the experiences he had. So, in spite of the fact that everything has been dealt with in the Sarvachan, still there are compositions. Don't you feel that you study Sarvachan or this Vachan also? Does it not add to your spiritual sense? So, see, something comes from above. How can you keep it in your pocket? You have to throw it. It has come for the mark. What sense can do? Antidote God, antidote spirituality. If he is not that heart.
So can we take that also as one of the acid tests of the living master that is able to compose it?
It must. Why are you making acid? You take it must to know whether it is spirituality or it is
we always look for easy methods.
Yes, that is the, I just described on one of my deliveries, I think at Nagpur probably, that it is strange that every cell in our body is struggling hard. And the mind is also, I mean the intellect is also struggling hard to find solutions to so many problems. But unfortunately the mind wants sleep. The mind wants easy life. But in nature there is nothing like easy life. And they will return unless once you start doing the spiritual practice, even if you become big or say, rich or whatever, you will continue to work. So that struggle element will come in your mind. It will throw away that character of letharginess. What you say, you think will be absent from the life of the humanity. तो ये letharginess जो है, ये predominance of the forces of darkness है, ये पूरा करने को do more of the spiritual experience. God will help you. Yes, yes.
What is initiation? What is
Initiation is the introduction of the spiritual performance of spiritual practice in the right way. Under the master. Only it is the master who gives the initiation. And if performed right way, the benefits start appearing in the disciples.
I was initiated by my guru's representative in the United States. No difference, same thing, or does it have to be by the master
No,
himself?
I think there will be little difference. If you have identified that so and so he is reasonably a guru which will serve my cause, then you should ask for initiation. But if you say that you find no difference whatsoever, then you stick to the previous master. Guru is not in a hurry to make change. It is the prerogative of a disciple to decide who will be to his reasoning mind, approachable from all to wash away the any misconception on the intellectual plane. That does happen because you have read some books and from there some misconception, you have heard something somebody say, but openly
Quiet.
yes, very quiet, yes. We teach that when the master is seated on his seat, devotee must look intently at his face because they have to ultimately focus this image inside. So they must not shut their eyes before him. They may shut their eyes when they are doing the practice, but not. This is that they have to do. And if they are concentrated, they will listen more, they will understand more, and so they benefit. They enjoy pleasure also. So had there been no pleasure, I am giving no sweets to them. They are sitting quite good children are sitting quite good. But these people, they have in some way they are also getting the benefit. Though may not be understanding everything, but still whatever they are understanding.
destiny to be reunited with the ultimate, do we also have worldly destinies?
Yes, worldly destinies, there is nothing like worldly destinies. You have been shown in the world.
No, not worldly, worldly destiny.
Worldly.
Worldly destiny, not saying the
Short-term gains.
yes, so these worldly destinies are, there is nothing like it. To utilize your hast intellect and know that this is not your abode. And during your stay on this planet, you have been brought for washing away the samskara, the adi samskara, and the samskaras of your past life, and the samskaras that you are gathering them. But slowly and slowly only this transformation that you get rid of the samskaras is taking place. And those who are ripe enough to be lifted higher state of consciousness, this satsang has come into being. Having since the start of humanity, there was no other country. It has appeared just 150 years, almost 160 years ago. But the name Radha Swami actually appeared like at the right of the Vedic staff. But it was not openly released. It was a hidden secret. But it has come into open after the advent of Guru Swami Maharaj. So, the world has come into being just to teach you lesson. And by teaching, you will be getting rid of your past samskaras. And the teaching will be such that ultimately you will come to realize that quest outside for happiness is useless. All flights of imagination or intellect will bring not that dividend which you expect from your life. It is a duty of a master to increase the horizon of understanding of the disciple. Unless and until it is extended, and how can you receive newer things? Closed mind can't receive things. So whenever one visits a master, his whole psyche is lifted up and he gets the expansion of his thinking process. It has something to do with thinking process. So the company is always stimulating. All these old fellows, they are all retired professors of Usmania University, most of them, and they ask them why they look like the sit here, quite calm and quiet. It does help them, without any reservation, I can say. You yourself can feel. Whatever I am saying, you yourself can assess. What was the thing? Mr. Einstein has this misgiving that since he has done a remarkable research in atomic science, he was probably the person who started the particle physics. So he thought that there must be something abnormal in my brain. So he offered his brain to the American doctors to be examined after his death. And his brain was examined and it was found that his brain contained nothing as with the idiot's brain which he had.
So, what
So
in
it was said that the intelligence is not a prerogative of the brain matter, white and yellow brain matter. It is a vehicle through which the intelligence comes. The entire intelligence is a final thing. It is not a material thing. Similarly, your mind is not a matter. It is a fine matter. And it is associated with a higher world, open world. And it receives intelligence from that. So, it has nothing to do.
Has it got something to do with spiritual things or
Yes, the spiritual knowledge will enrich your mind, your intellect, like everything. It will.
अच्छा है
Becomes a member of our club.
Yes.
And they are interested in development
Yeah,
and
they will make it.
because they have political and because they know that China will also go with the earth.
Yes.
चाइना भी अरब के साथ जाएगा और ट्रेड भी करेगा और उनको न्यूक्लियर डिवाइसेज भी देगा और लेकिन जो मिसाइल टेक्नोलॉजी है ये तो रूसियों के पास है या इंडिया के पास है। इंडिया का सुपीरियर है और इंडिया का सुपीरियर होने से चाइना चाहता है कि इंडिया से कैसे किसी तरह से हम लोग को सीक्रेटली ये मिल जाए। चोरी करने को लगा हुआ है। अभी से गवर्नमेंट का काम है देखें पैसा दे के घूस देते हैं सब स्पाई जो चाइनीज मिशनरी है ना उसके थ्रू घूस दिलवा करके खा लेते क्लासीफाइड डॉक्यूमेंट्स। ये हालत है कि रिसेंटली दे फायर्ड एंड फेल्ड। हमारा 10 फायर कर चुका है आज चाइना। हाँ चाइना अभी तो जो अग्नि फायर हुआ है इट कैन कवर 3000 किलोमीटर बता रहा था वो।
Yes, India is ahead.
3000 में तो सब चाइना की बेजिंग भी आ जाएगा रेंज में अगर हम लोग बॉर्डर से मारे हैं बेजिंग भी जो लोग सोचते हैं कि ऐसा होगा वैसे थोड़े होता है। World is drifting not according to somebody's desire.
Time I think.
another 5 minutes 5:45 महेंद्र जी को भेज दिए हुजूर with all the luggage except हुजूर's personal luggage
I see.
we have sent everybody
ठीक है।
There are 3 cars, no?
yes yes
Picking them up from the NGRI guest house.
and the 2 vans had not come हुजूर 2 big vans so we sent everybody ahead
ठीक है then yeah,
Yes.
they will check.
Fortunately, our geology department man also, he has been very faithful. He has come. They are sleeping here.
I see.
So in that too good sense.
He carried all
Yes.
Hello, okay.
Compared with last time when we were under tension, गाड़ी बराबर टाइम को नहीं आया क्या किया जाए।
Last time, yes.
But this time by Hazur's grace, everything before time all arrangements made.
Season is also.
They are very I think
next time, January.
Early morning में जो रहेगा।
and also you always used to be afraid of rain. The tents will fall down where the dining arrangements are made.
साउथ के लिए winter ही ठीक है।
It is better. And it is severe winter in north.
हाँ, it is very severe.
Very severe.
North is reeling under sub-zero temperatures. The whole of Garhwal, just about 80 miles from Dayalpuri, is under sub-zero. So there it must be
Very severe.
2 to 3 degrees in the night.
Very cold.
January is the coldest, and February is also very cold. Only in the end of March you throw away these old clothes. But in the early morning they are free also.
But Huzur has been using this pullover sweater in Hyderabad also, is it? That
No,
cold?
it's I think that very changing climate है. हमको तो गर्मी आ जाती है लेकिन अब क्या करें? वहीं क्या आ गया तो बीच में उतार के
असंधा जी
मेरा मेटाबॉलिज्म भी कमजोर हो गया ना. मीठा होने से the power to generate heat diminishes.
But I hope Huzur was not feeling this place as cold.
No, not at all. Only in the early morning I will put the blanket on the And I am sleeping open. The windows are all open.
I see.
I keep yes, I can't sleep. There also the doors are open, of course the windows are closed.
The mosquito net was protected.
Yes,
from
mosquito.
I see
All
that.
the windows are open.
We are afraid to open our windows because the mosquito.
No, here if you close it, you will have to
You put the fan.
put the fan on.
Our grandchildren as well, they were very keen to be here, Vijay and
इसकी मम्मी देखेंगी पागल हो क्या
मृदुल आपका जूते अच्छे लग रहे हैं।
सीधे बैठो बेटा हाँ बेटा ऐसे नहीं करो आ जाओ
आजा बैठे बैठे।
बिल्कुल बात माना करते आ जाओ बेटा
नहीं फिर बाद में पछताएंगे आप।
हाँ हाँ आ जाओ दादी के पास आ जाओ अच्छा ऐसे नहीं पापा जी आ गए उठो बेटा देखो आ जाओ मेरे पास सुनो लो बाहर में मान दो फिर ऐसे करो तो करना गंदा बच्चा
राधा स्वामी हंसिए हंसिए राधा स्वामी बोलिए। वेरी गुड। इकड़े
take the boys in America, they are all keenly looking for this Hazrat's visit tour photograph.
वेरी लो लाइट।
Again bringing. He said, I have already given it. हाथ से हाथ नहीं है तब भी कहेगा लेकिन जो ऐसा है वो जल्दी बोलता नहीं अपने को मानता है देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन मास्टर जी omniscient he knows very high quality of discipleship is also needed.
We only are saying Hazrat because Janardhan.
ये तुम्हारे लिए कंसेशन है पूरा फुल कंसेशन फॉर यू और तुम लगे की हड़बड़ में पे दूसरा एक उठा के लेके चलो क्वाइटली इंटर क्वाइटली वो तो डेली कम्यूटर्स होते हैं जिनको ऑफिस वगैरह पकड़ना पड़ता है तो वो तो जानते हैं कि भाई ट्रेन आ गई है भागो जल्दी से उनके हाथ में तो कुछ होता नहीं है नथिंग नाइदर एनीथिंग इन दैट पॉकेट आल्सो बिकॉज दे विल व्हेन दे रिटर्न दैट पॉकेट इज हेवी एंड दे गो द पॉकेट इज एम्प्टी
ಈ